everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Tony from Tony's Hobby Channel. So let me just start off this little quick video by saying that I am in no way, shape, or form a certified professional. So by watching this video, and I've already disclosed that, you are not going to be holding me liable or responsible for you burning down your house if you wire something incorrectly. Okay, so I am following the instructions of all of what I've learned and from what I've seen and from what I've experienced. So again, you need to consult with your own codes and your own jurisdiction areas and whatnots, building codes and whatnot, so you stay safe, everybody else stays safe, nobody gets burnt, shocked, or for whatever reason hurt. Alright, so with that really very informational disclaimer being done, I guess, and out of the way, and you continuing to watch, you release all liability to yours truly for anything that you may do, etc., 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 etc. Anyways, pretty sure you got the idea and the gist of that. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing this. If you're still here at the 2-minute mark, well, hey, you know what? Good for you. Thank you. I appreciate you. We're going to be installing this bad boy. And you know what? That's great. So what we have currently in this situation is we have this. Now, I'm not sure if the camera can pick that up. There we go. That's better. We have this in the current situation, which means that is bad. So when all three are lit up, that's not good. When everything's lit up, that's no bueno. So we need to get it so it's wired correctly. Alright. So, as you see there, now it's finally focused in. Alright. So, just so you know, yes, obviously, there's power there. Okay. It's always best if you're able to do this with no power on, so you don't got to worry about shorting anything out. So, with that being said, I'm leaving the power on because there is other crap in the house that I want to leave on. So, with that being said, we're going to turn on a little bit of music. If you're still here at the 3-minute and 50 mark, you're about to get some music. Here we go. Alright, so here we go. First things first. Now we can actually get to work. So again, if you're watching this video, it's too late. Wait, what? Whoa. No. This is 2 lines, there's a line coming in, goes to this, and then from this it goes back out to another plug, which is also giving the same 3 light reading, which is no bueno. So hopefully, by installing this bad boy, we're going to bring the line in, the main power coming in, and then the load that we have, as you see it says load, So this is going to go to the next item down the way here. So, again, I am not licensed. I've worked for many different places, even though I wasn't licensed. Anyways, if you ever need to use the good stuff, this is what I recommend. Everybody's going to have their own opinion to that. Again, that's fine. That's great. Great. Fun. So, they have the way this was originally wired. Can you see that? So basically this is pigtailed off of that line into here, so it runs its own off of a pigtail. I guess that's not wrong, but I'm sure everybody's got their own opinion on that as well. Please feel free to leave your comment down below, however positive or negative it may be. Pretty sure I'm going to get a few negative comments in this video, and that's fine by me. Oh, free music. Commercial. Yeah, it's free, but it's not free. But it's not really free. Okay. Oh, anabolic. Okay. So basically, what we're gonna do here, Frank. Bing, bam, bam, bing, bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, if you're still here at the 10-minute mark or 7-minute and 52-second mark, bless your heart. Okay, so that's gonna be main power coming in. Bam, bam, bam. Fun. I wrapped this up the other day when I first found this outlet, so they'd never wrapped it to begin with. Ain't that professional of them? Okay.